Another beautiful day at S1. We got the guys from Puerto Rico here, Prestige Performance. They were at FL2K. Came by, say what's up. What's up? What's up?
How you doing? Puerto Rico in the house.
Look at these guys. Boom.
Yeah, back's done.
Family or PR family.
Yeah,
what's up, man? Yeah, it's gonna be all motor first. We're gonna test it out all motor, and then after that, we're gonna put the built motor and boost it.
That's a really light.
It's really light.
Yeah, very light.
Very, very
People
light.
think it's gonna twist. This one too.
Okay.
This one's all-wheel drive too already. The fuel neck system that's coming out.
Okay.
So we're testing this bulkhead right here. We're making like a bulkhead setup over
okay.
here to test. Like,
Yeah, all my
those
cars I
billet
do these
pieces.
in my cars.
Yeah, the billet, so there's like a billet top hat to go onto the fuel cell. So we're making
I
that.
saw that.
Yeah, that's what we're doing on this car. And then
How do you guys' car do at FL2K? Pretty good, no?
Mitchell won a second place because they the engine broke in the semifinals.
Okay.
So he get second place. Mitchell Mark Performance. Over that, the event was really great. Really great cars, good. Really fast cars. The stick shift car, the Camaro, was amazing. Okay. And Cletus with his car, they are really fast too.
The Cletus car is pretty nice.
It's something that we don't see in the Iceland cars, street cars running 6 seconds. That's it. But in the Iceland, we don't see that.
And Grannis Racing too.
It's
mad, yeah. So yeah, man, thanks for coming. Appreciate you. Yep, that's how we do it. Guys be coming over here visiting. That's nice. All the way from Puerto Rico. They came for FL2K. Yep, another busy day. Street car.
Yeah.
Baby turbo. Like 400 or 500. That's about it.
It's a K24 or K20?
I think
K24.
K24, yeah.
K24. A2, eso es motor de CRV. Broke my heart. Nos dañaron el corazón.
así se arregla un carro.
Un S2000 L Swap. CK, why you do that?
I know, man. Hey, everybody got their own, you know, it's artwork. It's
CK, why you do that?
It's an artwork.
Inside the shop, you got all the cars, K-Series Swap.
Outside.
K-Series the world. And then you bring me outside and you show me LS Swap S2000. Please, man.
It's still Honda.
Don't break my heart.
Breaking my heart.
TK, I got you here. Now I got you here. Man. Bueno, mi gente, aquí en Estados Unidos, los gringos les gusta el LS Swap. Here in United States, people like LS Swap, so they do stuff like this. Pero, ¿qué podemos hacer? Eso es lo que a ellos les gusta. Pero sabemos que un K-Series aquí se hubiese visto mucho mejor. Pero aquí lo tenemos, el Swap S2000. Oh my God.
Don't worry, man.
No es all-wheel drive todavía, la acaban de comprar, es un B-Serie turbo, pero...
Road trip crew, road trip.
Sleeping Beauties decided to wake up finally, you know. Yeah, we're back at the shop, you know. Good morning, good morning.
Morning. What's up? Prestigious in there. We're just talking about it. He's like, they gotta go to junkyards all the time in California. Yeah, he's here.
That is I.
Yeah, cool.
So the people that are here are Prestige Motorsports.
Yeah,
right?
Prestige. Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. We got all these hip hop, man.
Because they were just recording everything. They were
Okay,
recording it.
I see. Well, we're about to go inside real quick. Oh, hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Your gift, man.
Everything is okay? Yeah. How was that free?
Barking at me again. Barking at me again.
Sorry about that, guys.
Come by, check out the shop, you know, see what S1's all about. Make out your questions, or maybe just run it through real quick.
Where they from, Sadek? Where they from? Local? They're local?
They're from Arizona.
Arizona? Okay, cool.
Yeah, they went up to the Dragon yesterday, but we crossed them. They were coming back and we were going
Going
up.
forward. Oh, okay.
Well, in November, I will come with the measure for my shaft for the Integra to make the shaft.
Okay.
And by you then, you pay the shaft and 60K. So when you got it ready, you send it.
Yeah. No, definitely. Yeah. It didn't take us that long now since we got the inner spline yoke That was like the longest thing.
So when I came back in November, I came back to you guys and make those. So that's the only thing, the only part I'm missing from the car to start the project. I have everything else. So thanks.
Good seeing you, man.
Thanks.
Good seeing you.
TK, thanks. See you next time.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Have to come back to Puerto Rico soon.
Yeah.
Oh, we're trying to.
I own you the trip.
We love it. We love it there, man.
Yeah.
Food is good.
So we were like, hey, you guys need to
Booked the flights, came out here without even saying anything. I just kind of walked into the shop and he was like,
safe trip.
where'd you come from? You know, we had the secret for a little bit and then...
Hey, how you doing? Son.
Chris.
How you doing? How you guys doing? Son.
Matt.
Son.
So this is Sone, you guys. This is the, you know, S1, the founder.
No, she's not. No, she's the owner.
No, that's what I'm saying, owner and the wife inside, you know, but...
He's a worker.
I'm actually a worker.
He's the worker. The mastermind behind the plans and all the things that I see in the shop. You know, I figure you guys are welders. You guys would love to see this kind of thing, you know?
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all-wheel drive the world. I see them changing the game, S1 always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all-wheel indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple-digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all-wheels gripping pavement. S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. All-wheel gripping, four-wheel gripping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. All-wheel gripping, will have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we roaring down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24, reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that camera cord that's S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. All-wheel gripping, four-wheel gripping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. All-wheel gripping, will have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons.